All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017, let me double check that, 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SV model, this beautiful black with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks pretty nice. Your front fender looks golden. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. Does it have some curbing? It's got, wait a minute, is that curbing? That's actually, folks, that's not curbing. That's just some crap on the wheels. So no curbing, just needs to be cleaned. And your tire thread is at 6/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. This rear bumper seems to have a heavy scratch here, about 3 inches. Rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see any curbing on this. And your tire thread is at 8/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front driver's door, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have a it is a powered seat. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Push start system. All right. Turn on the lights here. Turn on the fog lights. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom. AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls. All right, backup camera, pow. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 25 to 55. Sounds like some crazy rhythm. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It does come with armrest and cup holders. Rear bumper here looks good. The rear deck lid looks good. All right, this is deck lid looks good. Rear trunk space looks good. Got a spare tire with some tools, and your owner's manual is tucked away there as well. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice, and your tire thread here is at 8/32. Looks like I have this heavy scratch here, about 3 to 4 inches right here. All right, actually in a continuation, it's kind of a light scratch. Actually, this could be sanded off. And actually all this could be sanded off. It's just some sort of scuff. I got this. No worries here. But here we do have a heavy scratch. This is about 3 inches right here. All right. Then we have a couple here, which I'm going to say it's 1. It's about 4 inches. This little patch here is about a 4-inch patch. Got a dent here. No paint off. Here's your front passenger seat. No, I mean the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim, very nice. This one has that same gluey material on there. Needs to be cleaned. And this one here is the tire thread is at 6/32. Lights are working. Car is on. Things are moving. Folks, once again, this is 2017. Nissan Altima. There's my partner in Quran coming through. Come here. 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SV model with 25,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.